Strike three. Maben thought it was ball four. Has a word with Ben May.
Maybe you don't see argue very much, so as we take a look at the replay. Oh, this is a warning. When the umpire's staring at you in the dugout, you're better off just not saying anything because he's getting ready to throw you out.
And someone got thrown out. And it looks like it's Aaron Boone. Is he talking about savages in the box?
I think so. We're going to have to go to the press conference now. Now you got to stick around. Yeah, this is almost, in my mind, when you're staring in the dugout as an umpire, you're almost picking a fight. And Tom Hallion's going to come in, but why don't you just tell your home plate umpire before this happens, quit looking in the dugout. Brett Gardner made it through.
It's almost like he's looking to pick a fight. I mean, stop looking in the dugout. Nobody else could hear.
I hear you. It amazes me, and it takes me back to when I used to be frustrated over there. You got no right to sit and stare at me in the dugout. Your job is to call balls and strikes. That happens right there, not in the dugout.
And now he's going at it again. I don't know if he just threw out Josh Bard.
Michael, you might be managing for this.
Oh, it's Gardner.
CeCe just got thrown out, too. There's several players that have been thrown out.
Wow.
Not only by the home plate umpire, by the first base umpire.
So the first base umpire threw out Gardner. That's why he's arguing with him. That's Phil Cuzzy. And you believe CeCe also got tossed, David?
I believe so. I saw 3 or 4 hooks over there.
Josh Bard still going at it. He was taking over for Boone, so somebody might have to take over for him.
We have multiple players thrown out by 2 different umpires.
Now here comes Marcus Timms. Trying to get Gardner away. Now, the last time Judge had a day off, Gardner was ejected, and Judge didn't get the full day off. Well, Gardner's ejected again. Judge is going to have to play.
You know what? To me, I don't understand it. I mean, we're watching a good baseball game that's just been interrupted by an umpiring staff. It makes no sense to me.
Well, you see, Maben was saying how much it missed, and then Gardner was hitting the top of the dugout again. I don't know if that's what got him thrown out. Watch the home plate umpire after Maben went back to the dugout. He's looking over.
Yeah, that
gone.
That to me is just picking a fight. I mean, Coney, you've been over there before. I mean, there's no reason for the umpire to be in your dugout. And my point is, I've got some friends at the game today. Just, a couple kids, right? Some of those kids might have come to watch Brett Gardner play baseball. He's been thrown out for not even doing anything.
Now, Cuzzy just told him, you can see by the hand motion, you got thrown out for banging the top of the dugout. It's become a thing now. It's 3 games where he's seen him do it, and I guess the word is going around umpires. If that happens, let's throw him out. We can't have that. And that was his one final exclamation point. I don't understand why that's something that gets you ejected. You're not cursing at the umpire, not saying the magic word. You're just showing aggression in the dugout, which is away from what the fans could see.
Trying to wake up the bats, you know.
I think you hit the nail on the head, Michael. Word is out. And that last video where the T-shirts are made up and the whole Savages in the box thing, umpires look at social media too, so there's no doubt that the radar is up among the umpires for the Yankees right now.
To me, and I'm not the best person to talk to about umpiring, but that is kind of embarrassing. To interrupt a good baseball game with that was ridiculous.